Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on the Temu. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, as you can see, if you want to search for the Temu like this, you have to enter the name like this, and the website will be open. So as you can see now, the website is open. Let's click on this. As you can see, here's the link. So we have to click on the link, and after clicking on the link, the website will be open. So as you can see now, simply what we have to do, we have to click on this order and account. So let's click on the order and account option because we want to create a new account. So we have to click on the order and account option. So as you can see, after clicking on the order and account option, what we have to do, we have to provide the email address here, but I'm going to continue with Google. So we have to choose the email address here. So I'm going to click on the continue with Google. And now we have to choose the email address. For example, I'm going to choose this email address. Let's click on this. Let's click on the continue. As you can see now the account is created because the name is also mentioned here. If you want to edit this, you can also do that. So in this way, you can create your account on the Temu website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.